I'm going to show you how to make super glue prints using a container and regular super glue gel. The first thing you do is you rub your hands together, and that is to distribute all the oils and moisture that you may have on your skin. And then you can place your fingers into the jar and make the depositions so that the latent print can later be developed. Now the containerized jar allows me to film it after it's sealed with the camera, and I don't get the fumes on me or obviously on the camera either. You don't want to get fumes on your camera. So I get my super glue usually at the dollar store and use the small gel tubes, and I can just put the depositions onto the inside of the glass, and then I just simply take a small line of the super glue gel and I apply it on the inside of the jar. And you need to do this rather quickly and have the camera ready to film, because as soon as I put the container onto the lid, the process will begin. So right now the latent prints are on the inside of the jar, and I can lay it down and set up the camera so that I can film the super glue process with a video camera.